Hello friends and fashion lovers, you're welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make the thread chain that forms the belt loop on this dress. This is a requested video. And if you notice on this dress that this belt loop is at the side seam and it holds the belt in place. So here on this fabric, I am going to be demonstrating it, and this fabric is joined together, and let's just assume that this is a side seam. So on the side seam, you're going to mark how many inches you want your belt loop to be. After marking it, you will thread your needle. So to thread your needle, you want to double thread it, meaning that if you use 2 strands of thread to thread your needle, you are going to end up with 4 strands of thread, and I've done that and I've knot my thread. So at my start point, on the wrong side of my fabric, I am going to pass my needle through to the right side. Then on the right side, I'm going to pick up a bit of fabric, just a little bit of fabric. So now that I have a bit of fabric, see, I have a loop on one side. I'm going to keep that loop open with 2 fingers, using my 3rd finger to pick up the thread to form another loop. So you just have the loop open with 2 fingers, use the 3rd finger and pick up the thread. By the time you pull the thread you pick up, you're going to form another loop. So try to pull this tight before you let go. So you let go of this loop when you pulled it tight to form the 2nd loop. So you repeat it as many times as possible till you have your desired length. So it's always best to have a little bit above your desired length so that your belt can sit nicely. Like now, I am satisfied because I have a little bit above my desired length. I'm going to tuck in my needle through that loop and pull it to secure my chain. So now that I have my chain secured, to form my proper belt loop, I am going to pass it through the mark point to the wrong side, pull my thread till it stops, and I'm going to take my needle and give it a bit of a stitch there. Just pick up a little bit of fabric and just lock that stitch in place and cut off my excess thread. This way you have your belt loop. So if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for doing so. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.